So today I would like to show you how to make a Google site. To do that, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account, and you can do this using your Chromebook. In my apps for my Google account, I'm going to go click on Sites. It's this blue window here. So here are all the Google sites I have created. You might not have any here. So I'm going to go here and click Create. So I'm going to choose to have a blank template. I'm going to name my site Practice. You can name your site whatever it is that you're trying to complete for your project. I'm also going to go down here and select a theme. So there are lots of different themes that they use. I'm just going to go with something simple today, this lavender panel. And now that I have that, I'm going to click Create. Okay, so this is my home page, and I need to add a couple other pages that I'm going to see. So to add another page to your site, press this button up here. It's a page with a plus sign. And I'm going to name this page Practice Vocabulary. And I'm happy with that, and so I'm just going to click Create. So right now my page is being created. It's loading the editor, and the editor is what allows you to change what you see on the page. So right now I'm in the editor. I'm just going to click Save, and now I can go back to my home page. You can see over here I have my navigation bar. I'm going to go ahead and change my site layout. To change your site's layout, you will click on More Actions. There are several options here, and you should play around with these at some point. The most useful is the Edit Site Layout right here. So I'm going to go ahead and change my site's navigation. I'm not a fan of the sidebar navigation. I actually want the horizontal navigation, and that'll have the pages running across the top of my page right here. Now, to add that new page that I have, because you can see it's only showing my home page, I clicked on the navigation itself, and now I'm going to click on Add Page, and I click Practice Vocabulary, and click OK. And I'm going to use tabs. So there's 3 different styles here you can play with, but I like the tabs, and click OK. So now you can see that it's added that page into my navigation. All right, so I'm all done with this. You can also go here and change your footer if you want to add, your name or the date that you are creating this. That's a good thing to do in your footer. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'm ready to edit my page. So anytime you want to edit a page, you simply click on the pencil in the top right. Now you can see it looks a lot like a Google document, and you can go ahead and add words here. You can also change the layout of your site right here. So 2 columns will split the page in half. You can also go with 3 columns if there's a lot of information that you're putting here. But I like these sidebars. I find are really useful for organizing my information. So you can go ahead and type and add anything you want here. You can also insert images here. So if you go and you can play with this insert key. So if you want to add a picture, you simply click on image. And then you can upload your image, or you can use a web address for an image. So I want to use a web address. And to do that, I'm going to go out here. I'm going to go to Google. And I want to search images. So I want to find a, let's make sure, let's see, I want to find practice. Okay. And save search on. See my settings here. I should be able to filter it. Never mind. So let's say I want to use this image. I'm going to go ahead and view it. I can copy the URL here and then paste the URL into there, and you'll see I got it. A few things to keep in mind is that not all of them are, as you can see here, using others' images on the web without their permission may be bad manners or worse. It could be copyright infringement. So one thing to keep in mind is making sure that you're only using images that you're allowed to. Okay, so there we have the picture I inserted. I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. You have to click Save for those changes to be made to your website. All right. So another thing that you can do is add links to your web page. So let's go to my practice vocabulary page, and I'm going to edit. And I'm going to want to add a Quizlet to this page. I'm going to go to my Quizlet account. I'm going to grab my Introduction to Computer Science Quizlet, and all I have to do is copy this URL. Now I can go back to my website and type in Quizlet, and then I can just simply highlight it, insert link. It's a web address. I paste it in there. I want it to open in a different window so it doesn't take away from this website, and click OK. This is the way you should be doing your links on a website. You should not just paste the URL into the website. It doesn't look nice. And this tells you what the person's actually going to. Another thing I want to show you is that we can also embed items. So I want to embed these Quizlet into my website. So as you can see, Quizlet has this More button, and they offer embed codes. So for the flashcards, I'm going to copy that embed code. And now I can go back to my website. I'm going to insert, and I actually want to insert a gadget. So I'm looking for a gadget that allows me to embed. There we go. Let's select that. And now I just need to paste that in there. And then if you look in my embed code, it actually includes the height that I need. So I can change that. And let me see what that's going to look like. There it is. That looks like my Quizlet. And if I go ahead and click Save, you can see right there I have it. All right, so every time you're done working on your site, make sure you click Save. And when you're ready to share it out with other people, go ahead and click Share. And right here, you'll need to change it so that it's public on the web. All right, thank you and good luck.